Today we'll talk about how can you enable contact number on your Whoscall app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, just keep going down. You come here to contact number, click in this sign. Like you see this color here, show for us, that's main contact number enable with us now here. So that's all you have to do to enable it, that's all. So just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.